Hello everybody, my name is Brian Daigle from Daigle Flooring, and everyone's been asking me how to maintain your floor, so we're at your local Home Depot, and there's a number of products that can be used for things like this, and there's some things you shouldn't be using. So probably one of the better products to use is your Bona products, are great products. And there are some other products in here that the Bona For Care kit is a great product. It's got a wide dust mop on it. But there are also a lot of other products that you shouldn't be using, like Murphy's Oil Soap, for instance. That has a vegetable oil, animal fat type product, can leave a residue on the floor. Your 𝐏𝐚𝐭𝐫𝐢𝐜 is a floor polish. Once you put something on it, you can't get it off. But there are some products that you can use to maintain your floor, to keep the finish up. Quick Shine is a great product. Bona makes a Bona refresher, but I don't see one here. It's all sold out. But they also make a Bona floor polish. Now the floor polish I don't recommend because that's an acrylic wax. But you got to be careful when you're using all these products, because these products are going to leave something behind, and that'll prevent you from having to recoat your floors. So again, Bona's a great product to work with. They sell a nice kit that goes with it. If you have any other questions, hit us up on Facebook or YouTube or our website. Thank you very much. Have a great day. Welcome back again. I got some other helpful tips here. There are other things you can use if you find a scratch in your hardwood floor. If you don't have the Zenith almond stick that I mentioned before, Old English oil is very similar to that. It will help to cover up that scratch, but the scratch won't go away, but it will cover it up. If you get a deep scratch, you can use products that will color it. These exact match kits are great to have around for furniture or floors. But in your Home Depot aisle, there's lots of things that can help you fix things and maintain your floors. Thank you very much. Have a great day.